Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what this is? Another month of bargain bead box. This is for September 2024. I just got this in the mail and I was so excited to do this unboxing for you. I do have a coupon code for bargain bead box. It's BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. Their monthly boxes are $22.99 a month, and they're usually valued between $60 and $85 approximately. So each one's different each month. So if you're not familiar with bargain bead box, I will leave a link below. And I have not looked at this. I just cut this open. And let's see what we have here. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love copper. Ooh, yay. Okay, this is called Mystic Moonrise. It says, inspired by the magic of autumnal evenings, this celestial collection stars labradorite and lapis lazuli teardrops, plus matching beads, including 2 full strands of labradorite. Larvicite, agate, glass, and crystal add to the midnight palette, while freshwater shell brings a lunar glow. Antique copper findings and swirl filigree style patterns complete the collection. And this is valued at $89.32. There's 19 things in this. Oh, this looks really pretty. I like this little gray bag that gave us too. Oh, look at this. All this for $22. You gotta admit, this is a pretty good deal. Oh, and they give us more clamshell beads. The covers, I love these. I use these all the time. Oh, look at this. Okay. So, let me get all of this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, we're starting with the 30mm labradorite teardrop pendant. Look at how gorgeous this is. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. And if you like to bezel, you could bezel it. Just trying to see if it's too... Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can use this for bezeling if you want. The striations in it are absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. This is really pretty. Okay. Number 2 is 2-piece 17.5 by 10 lapis lazuli faceted teardrops. Oh, these are pretty. See the little sparklies in them. Each color is just a little bit different because when you're dealing with gemstones, they're not perfect. Look how pretty those are. These could be used for the teardrop earrings. There's a lot you can use for them for. And number 3 is 8mm labradorite round beads, 15 inches. Oh, these are pretty. I keep saying the word pretty, but you know. So look at this. This is 15-inch strand. I mean, you could use this to make yourself 2 stretch bracelets if you wanted. Or do a double wrap bracelet. There's lots you can do with this. This is $7.99. It's valued at. So pretty. Okay, and number 4 is 4mm faceted agate dyed heated round beads, 14 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Wow, you can see all of the, trying to kind of hold them up so you can see them all. Wow, these are really pretty. I love all the different colors in here. Wow. These are pretty. Oh, we're gonna have fun this month. I will leave I did 2 tutorials from last month, and then I did a finished jewelry video. I had a lot of fun with last month's box. Number 5 is 3mm labradorite faceted round beads, 15 inches. Oh, look at these. They've given us a lot of faceted beads this month. Really pretty. I like all the different textures on them. And number 6 is 10mm lapis lazuli dyed matte round beads, 7.5 inches. I love this. I love when they give us some matte and then some faceted, some sparkly. It gives so much, you know, contrast to jewelry when you use all of them when you're creating something. Very pretty. And number 7 is 8 by 5mm larvikite rondo beads, 7-inch strand. Wow, look at these. That's pretty. I feel like there's a shadow. I guess not. These are really pretty. The holes are really well made. Okay, number 8, oh, these are pretty. 8mm freshwater shell coin beads with AB plating, 7 inches. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. Wow. These are pretty. Just another addition to the different textures and shapes in this box. And number 9 is 6mm glass round beads, matte indigo, 14 inches. Oh, look at these. Wow. These almost look like paint. They're so blue. I mean, wow. And they're like such a deep blue. Wow, these would really stand out on a piece of jewelry using these. Gorgeous. Okay, and number 10 is 6mm star cut crystal faceted beads in slate vitriol purple, 9 inches. Oh, these are pretty. Ooh. Look at that. I like to turn that so you can kind of see the sparklies in them. Isn't it fun to get beads in the mail? Like I say, it's like Christmas morning as a child. Okay, and number 11 is 2 pieces of 37mm filigree style crescent moon pendants. Oh, how cute. Icy earrings for these. Although maybe not. We shall see. We shall see. These are cool. That's the back side to it. And they have the extra hole down there. You could have something dangling down there if you want. And number 12, this is cool. 10-piece, 24 by 11mm filigree style links. Oh. Okay, there is a, so this is the front and that's the back. These are really cool. I like these. Okay. And now 13, number 13 is 20-piece 10 by 12mm star charms. Oh, these are cute. Look at these. And you can use these as connectors and hang something You know, they don't have to just, you don't have to just use the one hole. These are really cute. 20 of them, wow. Oh, I kind of got an idea for these. Might be kind of cool. You have to stay tuned. Okay, and number 14 is 10-piece filigree style leaf charms. Oh, these are cool. I love putting these on, like when I make my memory wire bracelets. I like putting charms on the ends, little dangles. I love doing little leaves. It looks like they're both sides, so that's nice. So if you do it as a charm on a bracelet or a necklace or something, or earrings, it doesn't matter which side they're going to. Okay, number 15 is 30 pieces of 6.5 by 3.5 patterned saucer spacer beads. You can never have too many of these. Yeah, this will be like the first thing I go through in these. Okay, number 16 is 30-piece 8mm dotted 4-leaf bead caps. Oh, pretty. I have a bunch of these from, I ordered from BB Craft. I think these are a little smaller, but they're pretty much the same kind. Very pretty. Number 17 is 4-set circle pattern toggle clasps. Oh, look at that. Got a funky little look to it. So that's the front. And then that's the back. So it's got a little, well, the bar doesn't have anything. It's just this. That's cute. And number 18, and there's no number on this, but it's a 20-piece 7 by 14mm steel clamshell bead tips. These are nice. The ones I have usually have a hole on each side, but you don't need that. You can do them like this too. These are nice to have in your stash. And last but not least, 1 meter of 4 by 3mm steel oval jewelry chain. Let me get this out. Oh, this is pretty. It's always nice to get some chain like that. This is such a nice box. If you're new to beading, this is the perfect box for you because they give you a little bit of everything in it. So, you know, all you need are your tools and maybe some jump rings and stuff and a few head pins, and sometimes they give you those too. So, but this is like the perfect box because you get a little bit of everything in it. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave the link below. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to start working with this. And thank you so much, everybody, for watching and tuning into my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. I have another video coming up if you want to stay tuned. And if you're interested in following me on social media or on my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry, all the links are below. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.